Hi kids, this is Pradhan, your maths teacher. We are in Fortizo School. Today we are going to discuss about number concepts. So before going to the topic, I want to tell you a story. Actually, it's not a story, it is a fact. It is believed by neuropsychologists that humans are born with number sense. Do you know a sighted child is able to compare groups of objects and immediately analyze differences and likenesses in amount, size, and other characteristics? Today, we are going to discuss about the basics of number concepts. Based on number of digits, numbers are classified as follows. If a number consists of only one digit, then that number is called one digit number. You know that. For example, 1, 2, 3, up to 9. All these are called single digit or one digit numbers. If a number consists of two digits, then it is called a two digit number. All the numbers between 10 and 99 are two digit numbers. If a number consists of three digits, for example like 763 or 367, if you find any numbers like that, then it is a three digit number. How many two digit numbers are there? Can you tell me how many two digit numbers are there? Simple, count from 10 to 99, you'll get that. If a number consists of three digits, then it is a three digit number. What is the largest three digit number? What is the smallest three digit number? Is there any relationship between the largest two digit number and the smallest three digit number? Yes. If a number consists of four digits, then it is called a four digit number. What is the smallest four digit number? If you observe the pattern, the smallest two digit number is 10, the smallest three digit number is 100, smallest four digit number is 1000. So for two digits it is 1 and 0. For three digits it's 1 and two zeros. For four digits it's 1 and three zeros. I am talking about the smallest number. If you talk about five digit number, then it is 1 and four zeros. If you talk about six digit number, the smallest six digit number is 1 and five zeros. What is that? 1 and five zeros. It is 1 lakh. Okay, that you learn in your next class. If you observe carefully, you'll know that all the greatest digit numbers, for example, the greatest two digit number is 99. How many nines are there? Two nines. Very good. Greatest three digit number is 999. So three nines, 999. Greatest four digit number is 9999. So if you observe the pattern, the greatest two digit number is 99, greatest three digit number is 999, and the greatest four digit number is 9999. So what about the greatest five digit number? Yeah, it is 99,999. This is a set of classification based on number of digits. So again, mathematicians classified numbers as follows: natural numbers, whole numbers, odd numbers, even numbers. What are natural numbers? Numbers from 1 to the largest number you know and the largest number I know, till that number they are called natural numbers, or simply numbers from 1 and on and on are called natural numbers. So 1 is the smallest natural number. Can you tell me what is the largest natural number? Think about that. If we add 1 to any natural number, we get the next number. For example, I have 10. Add 1 to 10, you'll get 11. 11, right? So 10 is a natural number. You added 1 to 10 and you got 11. 11 is the next natural number. If you add 1 to 11, you'll get 12. If you add 1 to 12, you'll get 13, and so on. If you tell me the largest natural number is 1000, I'll say add 1 to that. It will be 1001. If you tell me that, sir, the largest natural number is 1 lakh, so I'll simply say add 1 to that. So you'll get 1 lakh and 1. So 1 lakh and 1 is greater than 1 lakh. So you cannot say that this is the largest number. So we don't know what is the largest number is in natural numbers. Okay. N is the symbol of natural numbers. So next type of numbers are whole numbers. So whole numbers are the set of numbers starting with 0. Okay, these numbers start from 0 and goes on. So the set of whole numbers is represented by W, capital W or big W. Okay. So what is the smallest natural number? Yes, the smallest natural number is 1. And can you tell me what is the smallest whole number? So smallest whole number is 0. So you can say that natural numbers including 0 are whole numbers. Okay. Odd numbers. So what are odd numbers? So numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 are called odd numbers. Or you can say like this: if you find any of the digits like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in ones place, then that number is odd number. So, and they'll leave a remainder 1 when divided by 2. For example, let's take 7. Divide 7 by 2. What will you get? Can you find 7 in 2 table? No. What is the nearest number to 7? It is 6. So how many times 2 is 6? Yes, 3 times 2 is 6. So 2 3s are 6. So what is your remainder? Your remainder is 1. So now I can say that 7 is the odd number. Why? Because it left a remainder 1 when divided by 2. So you should get a doubt like, sir, should I divide every number by 2? So for that I already told you that if you find 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in your ones place, then you can simply or blindly you can say that it is an odd number. Okay. Moving on, next, even numbers. Numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are called even numbers. These numbers leave a remainder 0 when divided by 2. Or you can say like this: numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are called even numbers. For example, 790. So as we saw previously that 7 is an odd number, right? and even if you divide 9 with 2, you'll get 1 as your remainder. So you can say that 9 is also an odd number, but as this 3-digit number is ending with 0, the number is even number. Okay, it is not odd. Even though that 7 and both 7 and 9 are odd, your 790 is not odd, it is even. Okay, these odd and even numbers comes alternatively. That means if one is odd number, the next number is even, and the next number is odd. Listen carefully, 1 is odd, the next number is even, it is not odd. The next number is odd. 1 and 3 are odd, but 2 is even. Okay, 3 and 5 are odd, but 4 is even. So you can see that 1, 3, 5 are odd, 2 and 4 are even. So these are alternate numbers. So I am going to introduce two set of numbers, alternate numbers and consecutive numbers. Okay, alternate numbers. Numbers like 31, 33, 35, 37, like 1, leave 2 and write 3, again leave 4 and write 5. These are 1, 3, 5 are alternate numbers and they are odd. Write 2, leave 3 and write 4, leave 5 and write 6. 2, 4, 6, 8 or even. So alternate numbers is just leaving a number, and consecutive numbers is, it's very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Numbers writing in order is consecutive numbers. For example, write the next 3 consecutive numbers of the 321 and 322. So what are the next 3 consecutive numbers? It is 323, 324 and 325. Very simple, right? So I'll repeat all the things that I said already. Initially we discussed about number of digits. So based on number of digits, we classified numbers into 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers, 4-digit numbers and so on. And there we discussed what is the largest number and what is the smallest number in each set, like largest 3-digit number, smallest 3-digit number, largest 4-digit number and smallest 4-digit number. And I asked you a question, what is the relationship between, if you observe carefully, what is the largest 2-digit number? Your largest 2-digit number is 99. And what's your smallest 3-digit number? 1 and 2 zeros, that is 100. So what is the difference? Yeah, very good. If you add 1 to your largest 2-digit number, you will get the smallest 3-digit number. If you add 1 to the largest 1-digit number, what is the largest 1-digit number? It is 9. If you add 1 to 9, you will get 10. So 10 is the smallest 2-digit number. Understood? Listen carefully. If you add 1 to the largest 1-digit number, you will get the smallest 2-digit number. If you add 1 to the largest 2-digit number, you will get the smallest 3-digit number. On and on and on. For example, what is your smallest 6-digit number? It is 1 lakh. Okay, what is your smallest 6-digit number? It is 1 lakh. 1 and 5 zeros. What's your largest 5-digit number? It is 99,999. If you add 1 to 99,999, then you will get 1 lakh. Okay, this process will repeat. And next we discussed about natural numbers. So natural number starts from 1. The smallest natural number is 1. N is the symbol of natural numbers. Okay, if you add 1 to any natural number, you will get the next natural number. And next we discussed about whole numbers. Whole number starts from 0. If you include 0 in natural numbers, that is whole numbers, that's all. W is the symbol of whole numbers. And next we discussed about odd numbers and even numbers. So what is odd and what is even? So numbers which ends with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are odd. A number which leaves a remainder 1 when divided by 2 is odd. Number which leaves a remainder 0 when divided by 2 is even. And next we discussed about alternate and consecutive numbers. Alternate numbers are like 1, leaving 2 and writing 3. That is alternate numbers. 1, 3, 5 are alternate numbers. If you ask me about consecutive numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are consecutive numbers. If you ask me to write the alternate numbers starting from 1 up to 5, then I should write 1, 3 and 5. If you ask me about write consecutive numbers from 1 to 5, I should write like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, understood? And I am going to ask you some questions. Write the next 3 consecutive numbers for 641 and 642. You have to think. Come on. Yeah, pause and write. Okay, I hope you wrote. So your answer is 643, 644 and 645. Yeah. I'm going to give you some numbers and you have to pick the odd numbers from those numbers, like 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Pick the odd numbers. Very good. 21, 23 and 25 are odd. And so try to find the even numbers. 306, 501, 203, 405 and 107. How many even numbers do you have there? Yes, it is only one. What is that? It is 306. Very good. So you have to see the ones place, not the hundreds place. If you see the hundreds place, then there are 2 even numbers you'll get. That's wrong. Okay. Next. So this is your assignment for today. So write all the odd numbers between 0 and 20. Write all the even numbers between 1 and 21. That's all for today. Thank you guys.